Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect the GameSir Nova Lite to your PC with Bluetooth in 2026. So to begin with, the GameSir Nova Lite supports Bluetooth connectivity, which is going to allow you to connect it wirelessly to your PC without any cables or dongles. For that, you just have to simply right click on your PC, then click on the option of taskbar settings. When you are inside the settings, click on the option of Bluetooth and devices. Over here, you need to make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on and your PC is also discoverable. Now you need to turn on your GameSir Nova Lite and activate the pairing mode. Usually this is done by holding the home button along with a pairing button for a few seconds until the LED light starts blinking. When it starts blinking, it indicates that the controller is ready to connect. Now here click on the option of add device on your PC. Afterwards click on the option of Bluetooth. Now wait for some time until it shows you all the devices nearby you. From the list of the available devices, you need to simply choose your GameSir Nova Lite, and within a few seconds the connection will be established. After connecting, you just have to make sure that the controller is in the correct mode, such as X input mode, for better compatibility with your PC games. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.